That Bites here with an awesome, amazing video. I hope you guys enjoy it. We went to St. Pete and then went to Yankeetown the next other day, so I just put it in all in one video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, short intro because it's probably going to be a long video. All right, peace. Man's over here got a nice little flounder. How big do you think?
I didn't measure him, but he's over 14
yeah,
for
15
sure.
or 16.
So, yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Yeah, do you have a measuring tape?
Yeah.
Oh,
Here.
Alright, let's get you. Alright, look, you caught a shark.
Y'all want to take any pictures of him?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's a shark.
I caught a shark.
Yeah, nice little bonnet head.
Why you ain't trying to reel it in?
Yeah, look at that. Look at that little bonnet head. Y'all check out that shark. Who caught it?
She did.
She caught that shark. It's pretty nice, little fella.
I took a picture.
Oh, you got him?
I forget.
You want to hold him?
He wouldn't even do.
He wouldn't even be legal, but I want to. Oh, nice little snook. He hit it right there as soon as I jerked the shrimp.
At the post?
Yeah, I want to get a picture of him, but it's a nice little snook. Look at that little fella. All right. Oh, barely hooked too. Ooh.
And there's a lot of snook over here.
And I still got my shrimp.
Y'all are gonna tear them up over here. Doing snook and redfish all that stuff legalized.
Look at that, guys. Perfect little snook. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah. Another second snook. Second snook, y'all. Look at that. Nice little snook. Yeah, it looks like it's 15 inches because they're so skinny. Look at that little joker. Oh man. And just like that, I caught 2 nice snook. I caught some catfish, but I don't think I'm gonna put little tiny catfish in there because I'm trying to save some room for some other fish. But yeah, enjoy the next clips. All right. Oh, a snook! No, a red! I got the net. I got light line. Nice red. No! No! It popped it off. Dang it. It was a nice one. Yeah. Dang. Just lost that red. This is what we got with cast net. The sheep's head right there. I just lost that huge redfish. Got another sheep's head. Nice jumbo. And a big old gong. This joker's huge. Can't tell if y'all can tell, but real pretty tonight. Real pretty. Just had a bite. little something. I think it's a catfish. Yeah. Dang it. A little catfish. Did have that redfish though. She was just barely hooked, but got this little dumb piece of crap. Stupid joker. I hate these fellas. I'm gonna go unhook them. Oh shoot. Little joker is crazy. There he goes. Hate these things. Oh yeah, he's legal.
12?
Yeah, it's 12 right there.
And
Then like 13.
I'll put my thumb there and measure the rest of them.
Alright, throw him right there. Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
I caught a lot of fish and I'm happy that we're gonna go eat.
Oh, we got a fish. I think it might be a stingray, but got a big old stingray or something. Cody, can you hand me the net? I think I might have got a shark. Might be a shark. I don't know. Thanks. Alright, there we go. That's something big. Someone to help me net. Oh, I think it might be a drum. Oh, drum, drum. Let's go, freaking drum. I got it. Let's go. That's a nice drum right here, boys. Woo! Nice drum. I thought it was a shark. Yeah, no, chunk shrimp, just piece.
Are the shrimp still alive in there?
Yeah. Look at this nice little fella. Yeah, I'm videoing. Look at him drumming. That is a solid drum. It's a fat drum. Here in Yankeetown. You! Naeem's got one. Hey yo, I gotta get the net. Nice little red. He hit it so hard.
Yeah,
he hit real hard. That thing is, he's a dink, but he hit real hard. You want to get a picture of him?
Yeah.
Go get the phone. Ask your dad if we can get the phone.
I'm standing on the rod. You were standing.
Die.
Don't let him go, please.
I won't let him go. Not yet. Nice little, pretty little redfish. If he won't stop moving, jeez. Oh my. Oh, look at this nice little red Nine just caught. Pretty little guy. Look at that. This dot, blue tail. There he goes. Yo, I'm trying to catch these dumb little needlefish. Got him. No. Look at this, I got one. I got one. No. Get him, get him. No. Oh. No. Bro. Yo, they're fighting. Check out the teeth on these little fellas. He has to open his mouth. Look at that. Y'all, check that out. Look at these teeth. Put him on a leash. There he goes. These things are so weird. What the heck? You good, dude? You good? There we go. Oh yeah, he's good. All good. Birdie, get him! Get him, Birdie! Get him, Birdie! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get that lizard fish! Yeah, get him! Get him! Get him, Birdie! Get him, Birdie! Come on! Get him! Get him, Birdie! Come on, Birdie!
He doesn't bite it. Do you know?
Birdie, did you get him? Birdie got him. Well, anyways, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and press that bell so you don't miss any of my newer videos. And yeah, and we just caught a bunch of... Hey, can you please say like and subscribe? All right. Good boy. All right, guys. See ya. I'm out.